Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Making this quick video for you guys. We're back shooting another video. It's day number 14 in the Mileage Gen Secret Clickbank Challenge. And if you guys have not been following along with these videos, please go back to day number 1 or to the beginning of this channel and kind of get up to speed on kind of what we're doing here. Okay. What we're doing is we're grabbing some traffic, okay, out there from the mileage and secret system. We're grabbing an offer from Clickbank. We're putting those together, and we're seeing if somehow we can get results, and in the end, earn a commission. All right. So we have made it to day number 14 in this challenge, which is really good. We're halfway through the month. Okay. Well, halfway through the challenge month on this deal that we're doing. Okay. So we're moving right along. All right. So we're halfway through that first 30 days. All right. If you guys have not got up to speed, we are shooting a 365 challenge. All right. This is the first time that we've done this challenge. Now I did some short challenges in the beginning of this channel, with different offers. Okay. With Clickbank, just showing you that not only one offer works, two offers work, three offers work. Okay. So just letting you know it's just not just one offer that you can pick and earn income. But for this challenge, okay, we're going to pick one offer from Clickbank, which is the top offer that's performing very well right now. We're going to just stick with that one offer, guys, and we're going to do it for 1 year, and we're going to see how much money we can make. We're going to see if we can earn a full-time income with this offer, okay? Now, if you guys don't know what Mileage and Secret is, it's an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So these people that are coming on to this mailing list, these are people, hungry people that are looking for ways to earn income online. Okay. Now, our job as affiliate marketers, what we do is we go out and look for offers that are related to make money online. Right. So what we do is grab that offer. We become an affiliate for that network. We grab an offer, we send it out to this traffic right here, and somehow magic happens. All right. So um, I did leave a link below this video for you guys to get started with the mileage and secret system. It's only just a small one-time charge of $60 to get an account started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. All right. So no, right now I have about 8 accounts that I use, that I send out emails to every single day. Now you don't have to start out with 8 if you don't want. Okay. If you don't have the budget, I would recommend at least starting out between 2 to 5 accounts. And then once you start earning income, you can, stack your accounts, okay, to even more. So, then how you stack your accounts, guys, you would pretty much, you create one account, right? So sign up below. And then once you create your account, then you will use your own affiliate link to sign up for your other accounts. All right. So that way, on the monthly payment, when you make your monthly payment, you're going to get a kickback, from every account that you have, that's making a monthly payment. You're going to get a kickback, and you're going to get cash back. Okay. Which is pretty cool. Okay. So after 2 or 3 months, you're going to be able to, get a few $100, and then be able to, reinvest that money back into the business, or you can go out and do whatever you want with it. Okay. So, if you to get started, guys, your back office is going to look exactly like this. This is the Mileage and Secret back office. The only thing that's going to look different is the emails that you're sending out. As you can see, I've already sent out an email today, guys. I got a little ahead of you guys. This is the My Leads, kind of show you the leads coming in on this account. Now, this is one of my last accounts, maybe account number 8 or something like that. It's only just getting 100 leads on that one. Okay. Every day I'm getting 100 leads that's coming in every single day. Okay. Master email swipes, these are just additional swipes that you can use, to promote whatever offer you want to promote. Okay. Now, for this video, you don't have to actually get this, guys, because it's going to cost you, about $30 to get these emails. All right. But what we're going to do for the sake of this video, we're going to use the free email swipes from the vendor. All right. That doesn't cost you a dime. All right. So I'll show you guys how to do that. The main area that we're going to be in is mailing system. This is statistics. This is going to show you like the statistics on your emails, like who's opening the emails, who's clicking on your emails and all that good stuff. So you'll be able to find that out there. Affiliates is going to show you like commissions if anybody signed up with the My Allegiance secret system, and then also it's going to show you like the commissions that you're earning with the My Allegiance secret system. Recommend to advertising. I don't ever go in there, and then account is like where all your profile information is. Okay, that's pretty much it. But where you guys are going to be hanging out at is in the mailing system. This is where everyone hangs out at. What we would do is select all. In this particular account, guys, I got about 50,000 emails that I can send out, 50,000 subscribers. Okay. So what you would do, you would select all. What it does is transfers these emails over here to the portal. It loads them up. So that way we can send out one email and it'll go out to all 50,000 people. It's pretty cool. Okay. So what we would do, we got the subject line that we're going to put in, and then we got our body, and then we got a send button at the bottom. All right. So what we would do is we're going to go over here to Clickbank. Now let's go ahead and go to Clickbank, and we're going to go to accounts. Now Clickbank is a network marketing platform for affiliate marketers. This is where we're going to go get our offers. So if you don't have a Clickbank account, go ahead and start one at clickbank.com. It's free to get started. Doesn't cost you anything to get started. All right. Now, once you sign up for ClickBank, you're going to create a username. All right. And whatever that username is, you're going to use that in your links. All right. So we would go to Marketplace. All right. And then we're going to come down here. You got all these different niches, guys. What we're going to be concentrating on for this challenge is the e-business e-marketing. So we're just going to click in there, and we're going to grab this offer right here, which is going to be live chat jobs. All right. So this is the offer that we're going to promote. The cool thing about this offer, guys, it has a rebill of $20. Okay. So the more people we sign up, okay, once they get on to the rebill, okay, they're going to get billed $20 over and over and over and over again. So all we got to do is get them to sign up, get them started working, and then they're going to get billed over and over and over again, okay, till they decide they don't want to be a part of the program, okay. Now, statistically, I found that our customers our prospect is going to stay on at least 3 to 6 months, okay, of that rebill. So our job is we're going to go out and we're going to find brand new trials. There's a dollar trial. Okay. Now, after that trial is over is when the customer gets billed for the program. All right. So not only do we get the commission for after the trial, we're going to get a monthly residual payment of $20 every single month. All right, which is pretty cool. So we're going to stack those $20 payments. So this time next month, right, we're going to already have all the sales that we got for April. They're going to come in May, and then we're going to stack the new sales in May on top of those ones that are already rebills. And then we're going to do that for the next month. And it's just a snowball, guys, into a larger amount. All right. And that's the goal, guys. That's what I want to get you guys at and get you guys making money. All right. So what we would do is we're going to go here to affiliate page. This is the affiliate page is where you're going to get all your information, all your links, all the information about this offer. Okay. The email swipes, the ads. I mean, a lot of this other stuff is more like paid advertising, but until you start making money, okay, with this, we're just going to do the free stuff right now. Okay. Once you start doing the free stuff, if you want to get more advanced, and we'll talk about that more later in this series, but right now, let's just work with the free stuff right now. Okay, we got free email swipes from the vendor that converts very well. Okay, so we're gonna come here. We got 20 different emails. We're going to we're on day number 14, guys. So we're going to just click on day number 14. So this is the subject line and this is the body for the email. So we're going to grab this link from the subject line. So let's go ahead and grab this link. We're going to control C, go ahead and copy that. And then we're going to come over here to the mailing system, and then we're just going to control V. Okay. So it says, do you enjoy talking to people? Okay. With a question mark. All right. So you want to go here, and I've already sent out my email today, guys. Click on perfect timing. That way that email goes out, okay, to our prospect, okay, at the time that they're looking at the email. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab this body, and this is going to be the text that we're going to send out to our prospect. Okay. Very easy to do. Okay. So we're just going to grab this, move that out of there, take signature, and you want to put in either your name or management, whichever one you feel comfortable with. And then we're going to go ahead and go here to the name. This is where the codes are, the embedded codes. So that way, when we put this code in on certain parts of our email, it addresses our customer by their first name. I don't think this one has one this time. Okay, so this one doesn't have one. So just, hey, want to chat, right? So it doesn't have a place where we need to put in anything. Okay. So in these emails, there's going to be a bold text. That bold text is where basically they want us to turn that into a clickable link. Okay. So you want to highlight that bold text, come over here to the link tab, click on that, and at the bottom of every email on these free email swipes is the link that we're going to use. This link is the link that goes with this email. So it converts, based on this email. Okay. Which is pretty cool. All right. So we just want to come back here, Control C, and then we want to go here where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID. You want to put in your affiliate ID, not mine. Don't put in Jermaine, okay? Because if you put in my name, I might get the commission. All right. So you want to make sure that you put in your username so you earn the commission for this email. All right. So we just want to click on OK. All right. And what that does, look at that. It turns that into a clickable link, guys. All right. So, we still got battery left, guys. All right. So, once we go here, either 16 or 18 on the size, we want to make it a little bit bigger so our prospect, it's easier to read for our prospect. Okay. So everything looks good, right? So we want to just proofread everything, make sure everything is good before we send it out. There's going to be either a send now or a preview button. So what you want to do is click on preview. Now, when you click on preview, we want to test out this link. We want to make sure that it works. We want to make sure it goes to our affiliate page. Okay. Now, that's very important before you send it out, because there's nothing else worse than you sending out an email to thousands of people and your affiliate link is not in there, so you don't get paid. All right. So that's the biggest thing. Preview that before you send it out, and then click on send. It's going to be an orange send button. So you just click on that, red or orange, one of them. Okay. And then you click on that, and that's going to go out to our prospects. Okay. Out to all the emails that you have accumulated. All right. And that's how you send out an email in the My Legion secret system. Okay. Now you guys don't have to use the same offer that I'm using. You can use, like I said, you can use other offers. That's just the offer that we're using for this series, so I can show you guys how well this does work and it does convert. All right. So I'm not going to take too much more of your time. Let's go ahead and check out the results from yesterday. We sent out an email last night. So let's go ahead and go to the reporting tab. Okay, and as you can remember yesterday in yesterday's video, if you didn't follow that, go back and watch that one. Okay, we did get a commission, okay, last night, all right, from the free trial. Okay, now today's the 23rd. We did get some traffic here. We got 884 hops. We got 635 unique hops. We got 5 order form impressions, right? Unique, all right, brand new people. Okay. Now, for some reason, those 5 people, they came to the checkout page, they whipped out their wallet, they decided to buy, or they didn't buy for whatever reason. Okay. No biggie. All right. So unfortunately, guys, we didn't get a sale today. All right. But I want you guys to still stay motivated. All right. We're still new into this challenge. Okay. Like I was telling you guys before, the list, it does take a little time for them to get warmed up to our offer. Okay. But once they get warmed up, they're going to get warmed up. Right. So we'll start getting more and more commissions coming in. But for right now, this is the struggle period. Okay. That I'm going to do myself. Okay. For you guys to kind of show you what it's like, okay, to have periods where you're not making any sales, okay? Stick with it. Okay? If you stick with this, you will see progress, okay? Excuse me. Now, I don't want to guarantee you guys are going to make a dime, okay, with this method, because I don't know if you're going to go out and grab the accounts and send out the emails every single day. I just don't know what you're going to do with this, okay? But what I can tell you is that if you stick with this and if you follow me doing what I'm doing, okay, and you send out these emails every single day, you're going to see progress. Now, right now, we've accumulated $80, okay, residual income coming in every month. Now that $80 coming in every month on top of new visitors coming in, what could that do for you and your family? Okay. Now we're going to get another sale here coming up. It's going to be $100, right? What could an extra $100 do for you each month to help you out? Okay. And that's just coming in because we already did the work. This is not talking about the new emails and the new signups that we have. We're going to get paid those new trial sales plus the residual income that we got already. Okay, we're going to turn this thing into $200. Right, that $100 residual is going to turn into $200, $300 for that month. The next month we're going to double that. Okay, we're going to triple that. 600, 700, 800, 900, $1,000 a month. Right, that's what it's going to eventually turn into. If you stick with me, you're going to see this. Okay, after months and months of time of doing it. Right. But me, I'm starting from the beginning. I want to show you guys how to do this from the beginning. I want to show you the glory. I want to show you the progress. I want to show you when we're making money, which we'll get there, okay? And I want to show you the rough time, okay? I want to show you the rough time, okay? When we're not making sales, we're not doing it. We're not making anything, right? But how bad do you want it? Right? That's the question that you got to ask yourself. How bad do you want to succeed? How bad do you believe in yourself? Right? If you know this method is going to work after time and time of doing it, why not just go through it and get to where you need to get that? Right? I've been with Mileage and Secret for over 3 years now. I totally love the service, right? But I have not always been in the position where I am, guys. It took me a little bit longer than it may take you to start seeing results. All right. So you may see results the first week of you doing this. All right. It may take you a few weeks, a couple weeks, maybe a month, maybe a couple months to start seeing really good money coming in. Okay, but me, it took me a lot longer. Okay, and what kept me motivated is watching other people do this at a higher level than I was doing it. Okay, and the fact that what I thought about is that if they can do it, I can do it. Okay, so just remember that, guys. They're no different from you. I'm no different from you. Okay, I don't have no secret pill to to give you to get you to start making money. But this particular method is super easy to do. It's inexpensive. Okay. And if you guys got the time, if you got about an extra 10, 15 minutes a day, you can send out these emails and you can start collecting, extra income, maybe to pay a bill, light bill, gas bill, electric, maybe even your mortgage. Maybe you can turn this into a full-time income and maybe make $3,000 to $5,000 a month, and start taking care of some real bills, right? Could that help you out? All right. And that's the potential that we have here, guys. So it's my job to come in. It's my responsibility to come in here and show this community that you can do it. All right. And it doesn't take a whole lot of money to do it. Okay. But I'm not going to rant, I'm going to get off the soapbox. Okay. And, and I'm going to end this video on that note. We didn't get anything today, but I am happy about we are getting traffic. We are getting people to that checkout page. That's the good thing. They're at that checkout page. So just think about it. Somebody from here, right, could possibly sign up tomorrow. They could be like, hey man, you know what? Let me just relax. Let me just sleep on it, and I'll come back tomorrow and take another look at it. Right. So that could be a possible sell for us. Who knows? Right. Well, only thing we'll know is if we wait till tomorrow. So follow me, guys. Come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. We can check the results and see how we did, and I'll show you how to send out another email. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next one. See you tomorrow, guys. All right. Peace.